Hello everyone, salut à tous. Aujourd'hui, j'ai une question pour toi. Combien de fois tu t'es déjà retrouvé en train de répéter les mêmes mots encore et encore en anglais? Good, bad, very, nice, encore et toujours les mêmes. Et si je te disais qu'il existe plusieurs alternatives qui te permettront de parler avec plus de style, plus naturellement et surtout comme un natif? If you're learning English, expanding your vocabulary is the key. C'est la base pour passer d'un anglais basique à un anglais fluide, vivant et authentique. En variant ton vocabulaire, tu gagnes en confiance, tu comprends mieux les natifs et tu t'exprimes avec précision. So, in today's video, we're going to learn 15 common English words, at least 3 powerful synonyms for each one. Pourquoi? Parce qu'avoir plusieurs mots pour dire la même chose, c'est ça la richesse du langage. Alors, reste bien jusqu'à la fin, répète à haute voix avec moi. Et n'hésite pas de mettre pause pour noter les mots. On va pratiquer ensemble et tu vas voir, ton vocabulaire va exploser. You ready? Let's jump right in. Welcome to this YouTube channel if you're new, and if you were there before, welcome back. Here is Word of English, where we help you level up your English and become confident. So, in today's lesson, I'm going to give you 15 words with their synonyms, because I think expanding your vocabulary is the key to become confident and have a variety of ways to say something. On va commencer avec le premier mot. Good. Good. Good a pour synonyme great. Great. Imagine I ask you, how are you? How are you? Instead of saying I'm good, you can say it. But instead of saying I'm good every time, start using great. How are you? I'm great. I'm great. And the second one, excellent. Excellent. Imagine you're drinking a coffee. You're drinking a coffee and I ask you, how's that coffee? How is that coffee? You can say it's excellent. It's excellent. Instead of saying it's good, say it's excellent. You did a good job. You did a good job. You can replace good by excellent. You did an excellent job. You did an excellent job by watching this video. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. You can say that's an amazing idea. That's an amazing idea. Let's move on to the next one. And the second one is bad. Bad. Instead of saying bad every time in your sentence, try saying awful. Awful. And when it's very, very bad, you can say terrible. Terrible. And when it's even more than terrible, you say horrible. Horrible. Let's see some examples. This food tastes bad. This food tastes bad. This food tastes awful. This food tastes awful. That's not good. It tastes awful. The weather is bad today. The weather is bad today. The weather is terrible. The weather is terrible. It was a bad experience. It was a bad experience. It was a horrible experience. It was a horrible experience. Let's move on to the next one, which is big. Big. So instead of saying that is big, that is big, that is big, try saying this. Huge. Large. Enormous. Huge. Large. Enormous. Let's see some examples. They live in a big house. They live in a big house. Replace big by huge. They live in a huge house. They live in a huge house. That's a big bed. That's a big bed. That's a large. The bed is large. That's a large bed. The elephant is a big animal. The elephant is a big animal, right? And you can say, the elephant is an enormous animal. The elephant is an enormous animal. That's very, very big. It's enormous. Et maintenant, tu remarques que ton vocabulaire est déjà en train de devenir plus riche. parce que tu peux transmettre une idée avec plusieurs mots différents en utilisant des synonymes. And the fourth, small, small. So instead of saying small to describe things, try saying little, little, tiny, tiny. Let me give you some examples. She has a small dog. She has a small dog. Instead of saying small, you can say little, little. She has a little dog. She has a little dog. Look at that small insect. Look at that small insect. So you replace small by tiny, tiny. Look at that tiny insect. Look at that tiny insect. And the next one, fast, fast. So instead of saying fast, you can say quick, rapid, speedy. Quick, rapid, speedy. So let me give you some examples. She gave a fast response. She gave a fast response. You can say she gave a quick response. She gave a quick response. And then the train is fast. The train is fast. So here you can say the train is rapid. The train is rapid. And then she gave a fast recovery. She gave a fast recovery. You can say she gave a speedy recovery. She gave a speedy recovery. Now let's move on to the next one, which is slow. Slow. So instead of saying slow, you can say sluggish, sluggish, unhurried, unhurried. Have to notice that pronunciation. Sluggish, unhurried, unhurried, sluggish. Now let me give you some examples. The computer is slow today. The computer is slow today. You can say the computer is sluggish today. The computer is sluggish today. Let's pause. If you're learning something, like, subscribe, and try to make your own sentences in the comments or check it. Okay, now let's move on to the next one, which is easy. Easy. Is this lesson easy? Answer in the comments. Easy can have as synonyms simple, effortless. Now let's see some examples. This task is easy. This task is easy. Instead of saying easy, try saying this task is simple. It's simple. She made it look easy. She made it look easy. She made it look effortless. She made it look effortless. The eighth. Is this lesson difficult? The eighth is difficult. And as synonyms we have challenging, tough, and demanding. Challenging, tough, demanding. Let's see some examples. This game is difficult. This game is difficult. This game is challenging. This game is challenging. It's a difficult decision. It's a difficult decision. It's a tough decision. It's a tough decision. The job is difficult. The job is difficult. The job is demanding. The job is demanding. Easy, right? Is it easy? It's simple. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is smart. Smart. You're probably a smart person, and you can say intelligent, clever, and bright. Intelligent, clever, bright. Let's see some examples. She is very smart. She is very smart. She is very intelligent. She is very intelligent. That was a smart idea. That was a smart idea. That was a clever idea. That was a clever idea. He is a smart student. He is a smart student. He is a bright student. He is a bright student. So he always gets good marks. What about you? Now let's move on to the next one, which is stupid. Stupid. You're not stupid. But to say stupid, you can say dumb. Dumb. You can say foolish. Foolish. Or you can say silly, silly. Let's see some examples. Is there someone who always makes mistakes in your house? Probably. So instead of saying that was a stupid mistake, that was a stupid mistake, try saying that was a dumb mistake. That was a dumb mistake. And another, if there's someone who doesn't like following advices, you can say it was foolish to ignore the advice. It was foolish to ignore the advice. And the last, don't be silly. Don't be silly. Think. Are you a strong person? The 11th word is strong. Strong. So instead of saying strong every time, try using powerful. Powerful, sturdy, sturdy, or robust, robust. Here are some examples. He has a strong voice. He has a strong voice. You can say he has a powerful voice. He has a powerful voice. He has strength. That's powerful. If something is unbreakable, you can say that's sturdy. Sturdy. The table is sturdy. The table is sturdy. She has a strong constitution. She has a strong constitution. You can say she has a robust constitution. She has a robust constitution. Now let's move on to the next one, which is weak. Weak. Here are different ways to say it. Fragile, fragile, feeble, feeble. Here are some examples. The vase is weak. The vase is weak. Instead of saying weak, say fragile. The vase is fragile. The vase is fragile. That's breakable. Do you sometimes give excuses? But certain persons have feeble excuses. Feeble excuses. So their excuses are not strong. That's not consistent. And the next one, important. Important. To say important, you can say significant, significant, or crucial, crucial. That's an important discovery. That's an important discovery. That's a significant discovery. That's a significant discovery. It's important to follow the rules. It's important to follow the rules. It's crucial to follow the rules. It's crucial to follow the rules. We're almost at the end and you should be happy. So the next word is happy. And to say it, you can say joyful, joyful, or cheerful, cheerful, or content, content. Let's see some examples. She looked joyful. She looked joyful. So she was very happy. Very happy. You say joyful. He was in a cheerful mood. He was in a cheerful mood. So instead of saying happy mood, you say cheerful mood. I feel happy with my life. I feel happy with my life. I feel content with my life. I feel content with my life. No, don't be sad. We need to learn this last one. So the fifth word is sad. Sad. And to say it, you can say unhappy. Unhappy. Or even depressed. Depressed. Or downcast. Downcast. Let's see some examples. He seemed sad. He seemed sad. He seemed unhappy. He seemed unhappy. She's been sad lately. She's been sad lately. She's been depressed lately. She's been depressed lately. He walked away sad. He walked away sad. He walked away downcast. He walked away downcast. Now we're going to do something. Look at this sentence. We're going to replace red words with their synonyms. Let's read it once. Today I don't feel sad because I've learned something very important, and that was easy. Today I don't feel sad because I've learned something very important, and that was easy. Now let's replace the red words. Today I don't feel unhappy because I've learned something crucial. And that was simple. Today I don't feel unhappy because I've learned something crucial. And that was simple. Congratulations guys! Tu viens de faire un bond énorme dans ton apprentissage de l'anglais. Tu ne te contentes plus de dire good ou bad. Maintenant, tu as tout un arsenal de mots pour t'exprimer comme un pro. Et ce n'est pas le début. Maintenant, je te lance le défi de choisir 3 mots parmi ceux qu'on a vus aujourd'hui. Et écrire une phrase avec chacun d'eux dans les commentaires. Je vais lire et je vais t'encourager. N'oublie pas, la clé pour retenir ces mots, c'est la répétition et la pratique. Alors, reviens sur cette vidéo, fais-toi une fiche de vocabulaire et surtout, utilise ces mots dans ta vie quotidienne. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Et si tu veux aller plus loin dans ton apprentissage, j'ai une vidéo juste ici là, très importante. Take care, keep practicing and see you very soon on Word of English.